my dearly. Welcome back to my class.
Yes,
Hi. Can you see
so
me, my dear?
yes, I can see you.
How about can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Wow. So, how did you fix your camera, my dear?
I don't know, but I, you know, today I have any problem about my health, and I have to go to the emergency room at the hospital. I'm sorry because I was so tired, and I forgot about today class schedule. Sorry.
Wow. No, my dear. How are you? How are you today? What happened? Are you okay?
Yes, so right now I feeling better more.
Oh, okay. So what happened, my dear? Why you were sent to the emergency room?
Uh, my skin have many maybe I had an allergy.
Allergy?
Yeah, allergy reaction.
Oh, wow. What did you eat, my dear?
I don't know, but I can eat um everything in the world. But today is Saturday, so the hospital in Vietnam uh, is, today is day off of
Mm.
day off of hospital in Vietnam. So
Oh.
I cannot um,
Mm.
so I cannot treat immediately, and I will have it, and I have to come back my home, and I will come back the hospital in Monday.
Okay. On Monday, my dear.
Yes.
On Monday. Oh, but what did you do to make you feel better about your rashes?
Yes, and right now I feeling better, and I think it's a not problem. It's a not big problem, and I can study this class.
Oh, okay, my dear, but I'm worried about you.
Don't
Oh
worry.
no. So, uh, did you take any medicine or like did you apply some ointment or something?
Yeah, I has been take medicine, and yeah, I
Okay. Food allergy. My dear, did you had an allergy like when you were younger before? Or is it your first time?
is this
Yes,
easy.
is it your first time
Ah,
to have an allergy or to have an allergic reaction?
uh,
First time?
yeah, this is the first time I um I see this problem.
Okay. So, only it's only the uh on the hands or like all of your body?
Uh, right now I feeling my skin is very itchy.
Itchy?
Yes.
Itchy.
And you know, uh, um, I um I'm I'm sleeping, but I immediately I
Will wake
see
up.
your I see your I
I saw
I
your. I saw.
I
Yes, my dear, I
uh,
saw your message.
yeah.
Yeah, I saw your message.
Yeah, I saw the message, and I wake up to sitting for this class.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Did I wake you up, my dear? Sorry.
Oh no, it's no problem. Uh, it is my it's my uh, it's my mistake. Yeah,
No, it's okay,
I
my dear.
I has been focused that I have class today.
Oh no, but uh, do you want to go to the hospital on Monday?
Yes, I will have to I will have to go hospital on Monday because in Vietnam on Tuesday and Saturday the hospital is take off. Mm,
I
yeah,
see.
to be off.
Ah, okay. So, how about did you search on the internet like the home remedies for itchiness or rashes, my dear?
Yeah, I has been just about this problem on the internet, but I I cannot um, I cannot determine exactly about this
I
problem.
can't I, I can't determine. Can you please say it,
Uh,
my dear? I can't.
you know, um, mm, I don't know how to say cannot or can. I
Actually, my do you want me to help you with that, my dear? Do
oh,
you want me to help you understand the difference between cannot and can't?
yes,
Okay,
can.
yeah,
Yeah,
can't and
can.
cannot. Yes,
Oh,
actually, my dear, both are correct. Cannot and can't. But
yeah,
usually we use can't, the
can't.
contraction. Yeah, can't. The spelling here, my dear, the spelling. This is the contraction of cannot. And the
Oh,
contractions, yeah, of cannot. So both are correct, but sometimes you need to use contractions for you to simplify your sentence, my dear. Simplify. Or to make your sentence more simple and
oh,
precise. But you can
precise.
use, my dear, you can use both, my dear, when talking.
Oh, precise.
Yeah, precise.
Yeah,
Mm.
I okay. I understand.
Okay. So, my dear, you cannot determine your what kind of rushes. You cannot determine what kind of rushes,
Rashes.
yes, or allergic reaction. You cannot determine.
I cannot determine.
Hmm.
And yeah, and if I want to understand understand exactly, I will have to I will have to see the doctor. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good, my dear. You really need to see a doctor. But I think you are allergic to some foods or to certain food, my dear, or
That's
to a specific food.
uh I has been trying to remember what I has been eat tomorrow. What is a formal food that I usually eat it, and I think it's in not um, it is not reason. It's not reason.
Hmm.
Oh yes.
But I don't know if I'm correct, my dear, but uh, for example, you eat fried chicken every day. You eat fried chicken every day, but one day there's one day when you got an allergic reaction. Even
Oh.
though, yes, even though you ate five chickens already. And maybe because uh you have a weak immune system, my dear. Your immune system is weak. That's why you have an allergic reaction. Sometimes
Uh,
it happens, my dear. So you need to avoid sleeping late.
sleep. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you need to avoid sleeping late.
I usually sleeping late.
Maybe that's the reason, my dear. You need to avoid sleeping late. You need to take vitamins.
Oh.
You need to eat on time.
Um,
On time, my dear,
yeah,
on
on time.
time.
I
Yes.
never.
Yes, like for example, my dear, you need to eat your breakfast at 8 a.m. or your lunch at 11 or 12 noon, and then your dinner at 8 p.m. Don't eat late, my dear. Don't eat your meals late. That's what that's what you're doing, my dear. So far, you ate late, you eat late, you
Yeah.
sleep late, you sleep late, you don't you don't drink water often, or you don't
Yeah.
drink plenty of water.
I maybe maybe my health is not good because I usually uh I usually erected. I
Oh,
I sleeping late. I sleeping late.
I'm
I
go, my dear.
uh,
I'm sleeping late. Good, my dear.
I'm sleeping late. Yeah.
My dear. So maybe next time, you need to drink plenty of water. You need to sleep on time. You need to eat on time. And be strong and healthy, my dear. Okay?
Yeah. Just sleep on time.
Okay. So, you need to take care of your body
Mm.
because, my dear, do you know that health is wealth? Do you know that, my dear?
Health
Health
is
is
well.
wealth.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, remember that, my dear.
Yeah. I
Okay.
remember. I remember every what you say, and I yeah.
Yay.
I will have to sleep on time.
Eat on
Eat
time.
on time. Drink
Yes.
drink
Plenty
plenty
of water.
plenty of water.
Nice. And my dear, proper diet. Proper diet and
Proper
exercise. Yes, proper diet, my dear. Meaning you need to eat or you need to eat uh foods that are healthy to your body. Balance your diet. Don't, my dear, listen. Don't eat junk foods. Do you know
tofu.
junk foods? Yes, my dear.
Yeah, I I have I have been
I've
never
I've
don't
never
eat junk food.
yeah.
Maybe yeah. Uh, do do you mm,
Do you know junk foods, my dear?
yeah, I don't know junk food. Có phải um, it it isn't it isn't is a fast food.
No, my dear. It's like unhealthy foods, like unhealthy snacks.
Uh,
Yeah, it's unhealthy stuff. And my dear, you need also to avoid drinking juices or like juice, juice, my dear, juice. You need to
juice.
drink water instead of juice.
Yes, I usually drinking juice
I usually
and
drink juice.
yeah, drinking juice. I I often buy it in the shop, and I I cannot make it at home,
Oh, okay, my dear.
and I think it's not safe safe
Yeah, I may see safe.
safe.
Yes, it's not safe or it's not good to your health.
Yeah,
So instead of juice, drink water.
yeah. I
Okay.
drink it.
Okay, remember that, my dear. Drink water.
I
Okay.
remember that.
Very good, my dear. I want you to be healthy and happy.
Oh, thank
Get
you.
well soon, my dearly.
um, uh, in 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 the next class, I will I will healthy and happy and
Yay!
sure
Yay!
we have too many class is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yay. So,
Okay. We can begin this class today.
okay. Sure, my dear. Yay. I like that. So, today we will have a review, my dear.
Review.
Yes, review. Unit 5 is about review.
Review.
Yes. Okay, we will review the past questions and lesson, my dear. Are you ready?
Personal information.
Nice, good. So we have here, my dear, different phrases.
Phrases.
Yes, can you read the first phrase?
Oh, I I have not any document for our class. So yeah, can you send me about it?
Sure, my dear. Do you want me? I'm sorry. Do you want me to send it right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you will have a copy of our lesson. Okay, but first, my dear, can you read the first phrase?
Phrase.
Yes, my dear. Have a strong.
Oh, can
Can
you
you
say
see my
again? What I say?
have?
Oh, so you
ca-
mean I read?
Yes, my dear.
Yeah.
Can uh, yes, yes. Go, my dear. Can you read the phrase? The first.
Ha, yeah. Have
Okay.
a strong personality. Like
Nice.
my younger sister has a strong personality.
Okay. So can you make an example, my dear? Using the
Mm,
phrase have a strong personality.
I have a strong personality.
Nice. Very good, my dear. That's a nice sentence. Good.
Yes.
So can you see the book or the topic, my dear? I've sent it to your account.
Yeah, I uh,
You can see it now.
yeah, I can say it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, my dear. So very good for the first question or for the first phrase. Can you read the second one?
To be ready to be ready to do something.
Nice. Can you read?
Um, I'm ready. I'm ready to work hard. I'm ready to work hard to be successful.
Nice. Can you
Uh,
read? Can you make?
uh, I'm ready to study English very hard to be to be speak English fluently.
Nice. Very good, my dearly. Good job. Okay, so we're now on the discussion part. So, my dear, what's your name and how do you spell it?
My name is Lee. My spell is Ly.
Okay, good. Nice to meet you, my dearly. Okay, so where is your hometown, my dear?
My hometown is Taiping in
Okay,
Vietnam.
nice. And where do you live now?
I mm, now I live in Hanoi.
Oh, good. So, what are your hobbies, my dearly?
My hobbies is reading book and take many video for my social media.
Okay, very good, my dear. Can you say it again? My hobbies are.
Oh, ah, I I forget that. My
It's okay, my
hobbies
dear.
my hobbies are reading book and and taking many video from my social media.
Okay, very good, my dear. Nice. Good job. So, can you tell me about your family?
My there are 8 people in my family. My
Mm,
parents my parents have 6 daughters, and we are so happy when live in live in each other.
nice. Can you say it again, my dearly? People.
People.
Nice, very good. So, what an amazing family you have, my dearly.
Mm,
Nice. So, what is your personality, my dear?
mm, my personality is patient, work
Mm,
hard, and I have a strong personality.
nice. So, my dear, when we are speaking about more than two words, we need to use are instead
Oh,
of is.
I usually forget about.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. I'm here to help you.
Yeah,
Okay, can
my
you say it again, my dear?
my personality are
Oh, I'm sorry, my dear. Can you say it again? Because personality is refer to only one. So you can say personalities.
personality.
Now with S, my dear. Personalities.
Oh, teeth.
Yes, good,
Yeah,
my dear. Yes.
my personalities are patient, mm, oh,
Hardworking.
hardworking, and have a strong personality.
Nice. Very good. Patient, my dear. Patient.
Patient.
Yes. Wow, you're patient. That's nice. Okay, and it's a good thing that you are hardworking.
Yeah.
That's yes, that's nice, my dear. Continue to be a hardworking person. Okay, so next one, my dear.
Hometown. Oh, I
Ah,
remember. I remember that we have been study about it.
Yes, my dear. So that's why we're going to review the
Oh,
questions. Yes, my dear.
I see.
Okay, so for the next question. Oh, we have phrases, my dear. I'm sorry.
Phrases.
Yes. Can you
Visit
read?
somebody, something. I visit my hometown on month.
Nice.
He visits his grandparents. He, he visits his grandparents every weekend.
Nice. Uh, First, my dear, can you please say it again? Visit.
Visits,
Nice. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Visit.
visit.
Nice. Wow, very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, can you make an example?
I I visit my parents once a month.
Nice. Very good. Next one, my dear.
Should be worth living.
Nice. Can you read?
I can say that my hometown is worth living.
Oh, good. Can you make an example, my dear?
Vietnam is a country worth living.
Wow, very good, my dear. I really like that answer of yours, my dear. Very good. Okay, so for the next, my dear, where is your hometown?
My hometown is Taiping.
Okay, so do you live in your hometown now?
Um, no, I don't live in my hometown.
So if not, my dear, how often do you visit your hometown?
I don't live in my hometown now because I have to study in the university in Hanoi, and
Yes.
I often I often I often visit my hometown about once a month.
Nice. Wow. Very good, my dear. You answered it in complete sentence. Very good. So, what do you like about your hometown?
In my hometown, I really like the people. I really like people, food, and and food and uh, and and destination.
Good. Like a travel destination, my dear?
Can you say again?
Travel destination?
Yeah, travel destination.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. You have a beautiful hometown, my dear.
Yes.
But,
Travel destination.
yes, but is there anything you dislike about your hometown?
Uh, can you say again?
Is there anything you dislike about your hometown?
Oh, now uh there are not anything I dislike about it.
Nice, kid. So you really like your hometown.
Yeah,
But do you want to live in your hometown, my dear?
yeah, I really want to live in my hometown because
Why?
if 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 I have enough money, I will come back my hometown to live, and my hometown um, is very peaceful. Yeah,
Ah.
and because uh, in my hometown have my parents,
Hmm.
and I really want to live with my parents. Yes.
Wow, yes, my dear. I hope that someday you will come back to your hometown.
Yeah, if I have enough money.
Yes, my dear. I will be waiting for that to happen. And I
Yeah,
want that to happen.
yeah,
Because I want you to be happy, my dear. Okay,
yeah.
so next. Wow. Can you read, my dear?
Free time and hobby.
Oh, nice. Wow. Can you read the first phrase?
Like doing something. To
Mm.
be interested doing something. Oh, in this class, maybe we we are practice practice about every class as we has been study.
Yes, my dear. We've been studying this about your hobbies,
Yeah,
right? Okay, so my dear, can you make a sentence using the phrases like doing something?
I like reading book, listen to
Mm.
music, and I really like sleeping.
I remember that, my dear. Stress reliever. Your stress reliever. Nice. But how about don't like, my dear?
I don't like. I don't know what I don't like.
Yes, you've answered it just the way you answered right now, my dear.
Oh, I
Okay.
I don't like. I don't like a bad skin.
Oh, oh yes, my dear, me too. So you need to recover fast, my dear.
Yeah, because
Yes. Okay, how about the next phrase, my dear?
reduce stress.
Nice.
Traveling very hard may reduce stress.
Mm. And how about you, my dearly?
Sleeping very happy reduce stress.
Wow, very good, my dear. Sleeping. Okay. Oh, but aside from sleeping, my dear, is there anything that helps you to reduce your stress?
Ah, I cannot understand what you say.
So, my dear, aside from sleeping, is there anything that helps you reduce your stress?
Um, when I stress, I usually take a shower.
Oh,
Yes.
that's nice, my dear. It's it also helps you it also helps you reduce your stress. That's nice.
Yes.
Okay, how about eating, my dear? Does eating helps you reduce your stress?
No, I uh, I only like sleeping or take a shower about 2 hours. Yes.
Wow, 2 hours. That's
Uh,
long, my dear.
It will help me reduce stress.
Okay, so go, my dear. For as long as it is helping you. Okay, nice. So next, my dear. Discussion, my dear. Do you have a lot of free time? When?
Uh, I I have a little free time.
Mm.
Mm, yeah. In the weekend, I will have free time.
Okay, my dear. But use your free time in doing things you like, my dear.
Oh, can you say again?
Okay, my dear. Oh, here, my dear. Uh, spend your free time in doing something you like or something that makes you feel happy.
Yeah, I I usually spend my free time to hang out with friends for
Nice.
yeah for any for culture coffee.
Mm.
Yes, and maybe I also spend a little time to reading book.
Mm.
Uh, I spend a lot of time to take take break. Yeah,
Yes, take a break, my dear.
take a break. Yes.
Yes. Good. But my dear, may I know what's your favorite book?
I usually read book. I usually read Vietnamese book, and
Mm.
yeah, I like read about family book. And
Wow.
yes,
That's why you love your parents very much, my dear.
I really love my parents, and
Oh.
my mother is my idol.
Wow. It's really nice seeing you admiring your parents, my dear.
Yeah,
Yes, that's a good thing. And I know that they love you very much.
yeah. My oh,
Yes. Okay. I'm sorry. I thought you will say something, my dear.
yeah. We can continue this class, and yeah.
Okay. Okay, my dear. Oh, but do you like playing sports, my dear?
I like playing yoga.
Mm.
Oh, do you like playing sport? So
Yes.
I have a two. I have a two, and I have a two. Say,
Yes or
uh,
no?
I like playing sport.
Yes, my dear. Like,
Yes,
do you like playing sports? Yes, I like playing sports.
I like playing sport, and the sport. And I like playing yoga.
Nice. What else, my dear?
And I sometimes I also playing badminton. I I like I like playing badminton, but don't have I don't have partner to play. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, equipment, my dear.
equipment.
Yes, like a badminton racket.
No, I don't know that.
Here, my dear, a badminton racket. I'm going to show you the picture of badminton racket. Badminton racket. Yes, here, my dear.
Oh,
Yes, racket. Like this.
yeah, I know
Yes.
I know
Do you
badminton.
have do you have a badminton racket?
Oh yeah, I have badminton racket.
How about the shuttlecock?
How about
This one, my dear.
yeah, I have it.
Yes, my dear. This is the badminton racket, and this one or these are the badminton shuttlecock. It's
Oh,
called shuttlecock. Yes,
I
shuttlecock.
I don't know say in English.
Mm, okay. Can you say it, my dear? Shuttlecock.
Shut shut the cock.
Nice.
Uh,
Badminton racket.
badminton racket.
Nice. Very good, my dear. Good. So, how about in watching films, my dear? Are you interested in watching films?
Uh, I uh, I I I really interested in watching film.
Hmm. I'm really
I'm really interested in watching film.
nice. So, what films do you like to watch, my dear?
I usually watching Vietnamese film and
Mm. Can you say it
and
again, my dear? I usually watch
I usually watch Vietnam
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese films.
Nice. Can you tell me at least one example, my dear, of Vietnamese films that you like?
In Vietnam have many film
Yes,
and
I.
and I cannot remember every film in
Yes.
Vietnam.
Only
And
one, my dear.
right now I am watching Đi giữa trời rực rỡ. Is
Oh,
yeah,
nice. It sounds good, my dear.
the name the name is Vietnamese.
Oh, yes. It sounds good. Okay, can you tell me what is it about, my dear? What is it all about?
Oh,
Can you tell me, my dear, what can you tell me what is it all about?
oh, um, mm, and the that's and this film is very difficult to say about it, to say. And in Vietnam, there are 54 there are 54 um, there are 54
Beautiful, my dear.
nationalities.
Ah,
Yeah,
wow.
and that film is say about say about the nationalities have a little people,
Mm,
and they are in live in the mountains.
wow.
Yes,
So, my dear,
and
what do you like about that film? Continue, my dear, what you're saying.
um, I like the film because um. Okay, wait a second.
Okay, go, my dear. I think you really like that film. Wow. About nationality.
Uh, I like uh, I like that film because that film expressing the national spirit in Vietnam.
Mm.
Yeah, we are peaceful and united.
Nice. That's a good film, my dear. Good. Okay, but how about traveling, my dear? Are you interested in traveling?
Mm, yeah, I'm really interested in traveling, but I'm scared the sunshine.
Mm.
Yes.
Again, my dear, I'm scared of
The sun, my
sun
skin, yeah, my skin,
sunburn.
um,
Is it sunburn, my dear?
sunburn.
Yes, my dear, sunburn. It's a word refer to
I scare UV rays.
yes, UV rays or sunburn. This is what
Yeah,
sunburn looks like,
yeah,
my dear.
yeah. This is because the weather in Vietnam is
Mm. It's hot, my dear.
yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay, so you need to have an umbrella, my dear.
yeah. We
Umbrella. And you need to apply uh, sunscreen protection.
Yeah, sun cream protection.
Yes, nice. Good, my dear. Okay. So finally, but my dear, where do you want to visit someday?
I want to visit Korean.
Korea, nice.
Yes,
Why, my dear?
because yeah, there are many because there are many famous people in Vietnam live in Korean and um, they are they are overseas students. Yes,
Mm.
and they are is very good for
That's
and
nice, my dear. If there's one country that I want to visit someday, it's also Korea.
Korea.
Yes, Korea. I want to try wearing hanbok. I
Oh
mean
yeah,
hanbok.
I know that,
Mm.
and I also want to try the handbook.
Yes, wow. Me too, my dear. And there are famous places in Korea, like the palace. Palace? Yes, what do you call that palace?
You know, uh, Korean food. I
Korean.
don't like eat Korean food. Yeah.
Why, my dear?
Mm, I don't know how to I don't know how to say, but I only eat Vietnamese food, and yeah, I only mm, I only proper.
Okay, my dear. But I want to try tteokbokki. Do you know, my dear, tteokbokki?
Yeah, I know tteokbokki, but I don't like it. I yeah
Have you tried eating tteokbokki?
yeah I tried many times, but I
Wow.
I still don't like it.
How about fish cake, my dear?
Fish cake.
Yes, fish cake.
Oh
Fish.
yeah, in Vietnam have many fish cake.
Oh,
Yeah, and
wow.
if you have a chance visit to Vietnam, I want to with you to try to fish cake. Vietnamese fish cake is very
Oh,
good,
nice. Go, my dear. Continue, my dear.
and Vietnamese fish cake is more charming. Is more charming.
Yes, like this, my dear.
It's yeah. It's very good.
Wow, it looks appetizing, my dear. I'm hungry right now. Wow, it looks yummy.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. Wait, I want to
Ah,
try Vietnamese fish cake someday.
yes.
Okay. So for the last question, my dear, oh, you've answered it already. What are your hobbies?
My hobby. my hobbies are reading book, listening to music, and sleeping on the weekend.
Wow, very good, my dearly. You were able to answer questions in complete sentences. Very good.
Yeah, thank
I'm
you.
really proud of you, my dear. You've improved a lot. Wow! And I like your pronunciation. Good job. Okay, my dear, but I think we don't have much time now. It's already 1 hour, so my dear, thank you so much for your active participation. And don't forget to visit your doctor on Monday.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
I will see you again on Tuesday.
Yeah,
Yes, so take care always, my dear, and enjoy your weekend. Okay?
yeah. I will make
Smile,
my
my
best.
dear. Smile. You are beautiful when you are smiling.
Thank you.
Get well soon, my dearly.
Yeah,
Bye
see you.
bye. Good night.
See you.
Bye bye. See you again.